Hello, I'm Louis, CTO and co-founder of Pipelex, and I'm going to walk you through the tutorial. So let's start by creating a Python environment. So let's call it .vn. Okay, this is a classic, and I need to activate that. Okay, so now I'm in my Python environment. I'm going to install Pipelex. So pip install Pipelex. Here we go. Okay, so now let's run Pipelex init to set it up. All right, continue. Yes. What backend am I using? I'm using the Pipelex Inference provider, which gives me access to all the AI models I need. You can get a free key for that in our Discord with free credits on it. Let's go. Telemetry. I'm going to activate anonymous telemetry to help the developers improve the product. Thank you. All right, so now we should be ready. Let's check. So just to make sure, Pipelex doctor. And now there is something missing. I need to add an inference key. So I'll put it in my .env. This is what I need to do. New file .env here, and now I'm going to type the real key while you're not watching. Okay, so I typed the key. So now Pipelex doctor, it's all good, all systems healthy. So, well, let's jump into a use case. I'm going to create a Pipelex workflow with just a simple natural language prompt. So here it goes. Pipelex build pipe, and then the prompt will be take a CV and a job offer in PDF, analyze if they match, and prepare 5 questions for the interview. The idea here is that this is the process I want to run on the 300 CVs I have in my inbox. So, like any agent, Pipelex will start by coming up with a plan. But unlike all the other agents, it's actually going to transform the plan into a method that can be repeated. So here's the plan. It's a draft plan. So you see the main pipeline. There will be a sequence that takes as input CV PDF and job offer PDF. It will extract the CV, blah, 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 extract job offer, analyze. Now it's structuring this by creating concepts, the concept of a match analysis with its structure, concept of interview question. Then it is structuring those concepts in JSON with structured generation so that we can use this as blocks for building our workflow. So as you see now, it's coming up with pipe signatures. The pipes are the Lego blocks that you assemble to build the workflow, and each of them has defined an input and an output. And then it gets into details. For instance, here a pipe LLM generate interview questions. It's also writing the system prompt and the prompt, and it's doing this for all the different steps. And what remains is to assemble it all. I think it's probably done now. Yes, okay, so in 57 seconds, I created this new pipeline. Here it is. Let's rename it. This is CV match. PLX is our extension. If you have our VS Code extension, you can get this beautiful coloring, which is semantic. And as you can see here, the syntax is based on the TOML syntax. And we have the concepts and the pipes. So the concept I showed you quickly earlier, they are defined with a natural language description and also with a structure here. The Pipelex system came up with all those details on the spot when you ask for it. Interview question is also structured with a question rationale, focus area. So now that we have these concepts, we can play with them. Start, this is our main pipe, analyze CV and prepare interview. It's a sequence that will extract the document in parallel. Okay, let's save time. Then analyze the match and generate interview questions. Here, extract documents parallel is defined below. Each of the steps is defined right here. So the first one is going to extract in parallel the two documents, and this will output some pages. The brackets are here to indicate it's a multiple generation of undefined length. Here, analyze match. Here is our first pipe LLM. Takes CV pages and job offer pages as input right here dropped into the prompt. And then we generate the questions. And this is ready to run. So let's try that. First, I need to get some data. So give me a second. All right, so I got some input data here. You see the CV PDF and the job offer PDF. I'm using online URLs so that you can run the demo right away. This is synthetic data. It's a fake CV. It's a fake job offer, but it's good enough for the example. So now to run this, I'm going to call the Pipelex run command. So Pipelex run, and then I'll give it the path to my workflow and the inputs. Here we go. Okay, so you see right away it's starting to output the extracted text from the PDF. This is instantaneous, doesn't use any AI, but then here it's using Claude 4.5 Sonnet for the match analysis. It got the overall fit score, the strength summary, and now it's using GPT-4o Mini to write the questions for the interview. So you can see every step can use a different LLM. So this is, it outputs some feedback in the console, but also I have the results here as a JSON file with all the information. So I have the inputs that I used here. I have the intermediate outputs, the CV pages. Here you see it's a list of pages which can have text and okay, it could have images also, but that's not the topic of a CV. The job offer pages here also has been extracted, and these are the constructed outputs by the LLM, so the match analysis, the overall score, strengths, etc. And the interview preparation object with a list of items, which are questions, structured this way. So you could use this JSON with anything down the line, in Python, TypeScript, or whatever language you prefer. That about closes our demo. And this is a tutorial, quite easy. You see just a few commands to call. So you can run it yourself and tell us all about it. If you need any help, join our Discord. We are there to support you and also the community, and people can also exchange their the workflows they create so that other users can customize them for their own use case, or use them as a pipe in the sequences they built to compose a larger workflow from existing workflows. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you next.